very unusual t-shirt on today. Meditation in 3 sections of 20 minutes each. And during the meditation, a realization dawned on me that then faded. So then what I did was, I couldn't remember, I remember I was like, that's really profound. And then it disappeared, just like gone. And then I went, okay, I love that idea's disappeared. I try not to resist it, not reaching for it, not grabbing for it. And then it kind of came back. And it's a difficult one for me to talk about. Because it gets into a field that I really don't know so much about it. When it gets into quantum physics, it gets into the nature of our reality, our physical reality. It's the train of thought started off with. This might seem a bit odd to think about a train of thought in meditation, but thoughts do arise. And I think once you get into a peaceful state, then you get kind of inspired thought. It's still thought, it's information, it comes through. And this was about the physical world. The physical world is made of non-physical stuff. And we know this from science because you look at atoms, and then you look inside atoms, and then you get at the subatomic level, you realise that most of the physical world is actually space. It's mostly empty, but it's huge amounts of energy. And then when we start talking about energy, then we're talking about non-physical stuff. There's a thing called the unified field, which is the background energy. This is how I understand it, and I could be completely wrong, by the way. So any physicists out there, put me straight, please do. But there's this universal energy field, which is like one field, like a great big magnetic field, not a field full of grass, but like a magnetic field, and it's just bursting with energy. And then all of the physical phenomena that we see is produced out of this non-physical field. Now that then sounds pretty similar to things where you talk about spirituality, spirit being a very high potential of energy, but it's non-physical. And it becomes things, subatomic particles, and then particles and molecules and more complex structures and single cell organizations, and then complex organizations where single cells come together and work in cooperation, and you end up with human beings and cats and parrots and mice and reptiles and all kinds of living beings, including us, human beings. And it all comes from this non-physical, from this energy. So when you sit in meditation, you stop being busy with thinking, stop being distracted by your senses, for instance. I don't know, I don't think I can describe it. Let me try. It's that the things that we want to be, we become those things. The same way that this non-physical stuff becomes physical entities. We're already physical, but there's this potential energy within us to become something else. And I think it's through meditation, contemplation, visualization, and of course taking actions. But when you get more and more into meditation, the actions they just sort of arise. You just find yourself doing things, and then you become the thing, the person that you want to be. So say I want to be a filmmaker, or I want to be a carpenter, or I want to be a nurse, or I want to be a doctor, or I want to be a flower arranger, florist, I want to own my own shop. You can sit in meditation and become that person in your mind. That's the visualization part. And when it's combined with meditation, it seems to be incredibly powerful. And actually what we want to become, it sort of arises out of us. There's something in everybody that's seeking expression. Like we've all got these unique contributions to make to our communities and to society. And I'm really beginning to see how meditation can help us to grow into those realities, to become more of who we already are, and express more of this potential energy that's seeking to express through us. And I think it's a beautiful thing. I mean, we create through our thoughts, through our feelings, through our actions. It all starts with thoughts and feelings. And there's our beingness as well, which is beyond thought. So I guess I'm not very clear about this. These things are just beginning to come through, and I'm actually on day 32. You'll notice in the stream of videos that there is 2 31s because I got it wrong. So I've done day 31 twice. So this is actually. Hold on. No, I did day 30. Oh no, I'm confused. I think this is day 32. I'm going to just say it's day 32. 32 hours of meditation. Lots of changes. Just going to keep on going. Just going to keep on going.